Hello, in this video we will discuss the applicant registration module. The applicant registration module is available in the admin dashboard under the option More. Using the applicant registration module, the student can apply online for different courses available in the institution. To begin with, first the admin have to add courses which should be open for the registration. To enable or add a new course, go for the option Manage Courses. To add a new course, click Add Course. Select the courses, give the minimum score. If you want to enable the subject-based registration, you can set active or set inactive. The amount, which corresponds to the fees for the different courses. Whether the course is active for the registration, whether the PIN system should be enabled, or whether you have to enable the approval system. You can set it and go for the option Create. Once the courses is successfully added or created, now this course will be open for the registrations. For an example, if a student want to apply for a course in the institution, the student should be provided your URL or your domain name /register. The student or the new applicant can select the course and submit his detail. The user can also upload his photo using the Upload User Photo options, the last attended institution details, the parent's personal details, parent's contact details, and if he want to add any attachments, he can also upload the attachments using the option Attachments. He can also add another attachment using the option Add. Once the student has completed the submission form, he can click the Save and Proceed options and also get an option to print the applications. If the admin want to check the applicants applied for the courses, he can get back to the applicant registration module and click the option View Applicants. To check his profile, click on the name and you can check the profiles. The admin can also edit the applicant registration or also print to the PDF. To mark the fees paid, click on Mark Paid. For an example, if this student need to be admitted to that particular classes or allotted to that particular course, tick for the student and click on Allot. That student will be successfully allowed to that particular batch of courses. To check the details, you can go for the option Students and enter the student name. And you can find an automatic account created for the student who have been allotted using the applicant registrations. If admin want to control the students or the number of students applying for a particular courses, he can use or manage using pins. To enable the pin system, go for the option Manage Pins. Go for the option New. Select the start date or valid date. Give the pin group a name. The maximum pin count. Set whether it is active and select the courses and save. Now, to register for that course, the student requires a PIN number and that should be allotted by either by the admin or any privileged user. For an example, if a student wants to apply for the course MBA having a PIN group, this PIN number should be provided. Now consider if the student wants to apply for the courses, he requires a PIN number. For an example, when a student tries to register for the course, you will get a column where you have to enter the PIN number. Thus, the admin can manage the number of students applying for the course using this PIN number. The one you see is the basic or default fields for the application forms. If you want to add an additional fields, you can use the option Additional Fields. You can add any number of additional fields so that these additional fields added here will be reflected in the admission form. For an example, and now when the student registers for the courses, he can see the additional fields created by the admin. Also, the admin can search the applicant using the registration number, using the search applicant by registration number and filter it. The other available options are you can also filter the applicant total number of applicant registrations by using different status either by pending, eligible, not eligible, allotted and discarded. Thank you.